What's up, guys? Here is Tech Mentor. You might notice I've not been doing video, as much as I used to do. It was because I was very busy sorting out some things, But I think I'm back and I'm gonna be uploading more videos now. So today I got Elephone A5. Yeah, I think it's Elephone A5. The reason why I got this phone is because I want to test the camera. The phone is specifically marketed for camera purposes. The selling point that they try to pass is camera, and the device is very affordable. It's under $200. So and it's running in the LP60. I've not tried LP60, the processor. I've not tried on any phone. So the camera is AI, what's the AI camera? Artificial intelligence camera. So we're gonna see if it's true AI camera, and let's check the performance. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be unboxing the phone. So let's open the phone up and see what the phone is capable of doing and what it does look like. So well, if I want to be honest, most Chinese devices I've reviewed in the past, I'm not really impressed with their camera quality. So let's see what's in the box. This is the user manual. I'm gonna put that aside. This is the phone itself, the Elephone A5. Yeah, it's a notch phone. I don't really like notch phone. That's why I've not been, interested in all these devices. But I think I like the Umi DG, the one with water dropping notch. So I'm gonna get that phone. We have the case. It's a jelly case. Yeah, we've got this. So I'm just gonna leave it aside. SIM ejector and some QR code for the manual and the website. That's pretty smart, Yeah, let's put that aside. The charger. I think this is a fast charging. The phone, I'm not sure about wireless charging, but before I read something that says support Android Pay, it didn't say if it was. I think it's a fast charge. It's not necessarily going to write fast charge, because they don't do that anymore. Most phones coming out of China these days, support fast charge, and then I will be very disappointed if this phone doesn't have fast charging. And this is the cable, so practically that's everything in the box. You're not gonna get anything else. That's everything. Let's have a quick look. This is the headphone jack, the power button, and the volume up, volume down. I'm sure this is a power button. Still reminds me of Sony. That little dot, It's very, I don't know if the camera can, sure you should be able to see this. And yeah, you see that power? This one here. Yeah, that's it. So still remind me of Sony, Sony product. And this is where you have the SIM tray. I'm pretty sure this is not a stereo. It might be, I could be wrong. It's been long I've done Chinese devices, so I can't really say for sure. But we're gonna see if it's stereo speaker, but either of them is speaker or both of them could be speaker. It has two front selfie camera, and on the back got 3 cameras. On the specs sheet, let me power up the phone, then let's go on the specs sheet. Let's see, let the phone boot up. So power up. Okay, I'm gonna leave it to boot up. So we can now talk about the specs sheet. I think on the specs sheet, this phone has a 4 gig RAM, 64 gig RAM. Like I said earlier, is running LP60, and then it's got triple camera that I've showed you, 6.1 inches full HD display. This phone has 6.1 inches fully. It's got fast charging, and then 4,000 milliamp battery. That's nice, those are the kind of things I like in a phone. Good battery. As for the camera, the selfie camera, it's got two camera sensor. So I don't know which is which. I know it's got 20 megapixel and 2 megapixel. Either of them is 20 and one is 2. So I don't know which is it. But for the back camera, we've got 12 megapixel we've got 5 megapixel and we've got 3 megapixels. No, 0.3 megapixel. So I don't know which is which. Maybe this is 12, 5, 0.3. I don't know. I don't know which is which. And the flash is not true tone flash, it's just dual tone flash. So running Android 8.1, but they promise Android Pie with OTA update. So that's just it about the specs. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm just gonna set up the phone, then I'm gonna come back to you guys. Okay guys, I've set up the phone and then I've installed some application. What I found out with this device is it's very fast, fluid. I mean, so slick to use, you know. It's very fast. I mean, it surprises me. When I saw the user interface, I thought like, oh my word, what's this rubbish? But to be honest, I like it, you know. The face ID or the picture ID, I would call it, I couldn't trick the picture ID with my photograph, you know. I couldn't trick the picture ID on this device by photograph. Usually when Chinese say photo ID, I don't take them very seriously because you can easily trick them with your photograph. So I took a picture with my Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and then I tried to trick the phone, you know. I just tried to trick the phone so maybe it would unlock, you know, just with my picture, but it did not. But what, you just have to press on, you know, it did not unlock. But when I look at the screen, you know, you see, once I just look at this at the screen, it just unlocks straight away like that. As you can see, you see, even just behind the camera, it unlocks. So this is very fast. And then I like the way it is done, you know. I like the way it is done. You can still use your fingerprint, you know, either one. You can use your fingerprint, the one at the side. You can use both at the same time, but usually you can only use one with those Chinese devices. I think they're stepping up their game, and then I like that. So guys, what I want to do now, I want to test the speed of this phone when it comes to internet. You see, most devices from China cannot run beyond certain megabit per second. On my router, I think I can run up to 120 megabit per second on my internet router. So let's see what this phone will get. So let's run it now. Let's see, at least if we get up to 100 is something. So let's see. Wow, that is crazy. Wow, 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 wow. 104, 5. Wow, that is a download speed. I mean, if you're familiar with internet, you should know what that means. That's very fast for a Chinese device, you know. That's very, very fast. So that's the download speed, and the upload speed is 6 megabit per second. That's crazy. That's fast. So now let's see what we're gonna be getting for Antutu. You know, I want to test the Antutu. So let's see what we're gonna be getting in that one too. The Antutu finishes. So as you can see, all these calls, I don't know what it means. You know, I don't know how this can affect the performance of the phone. Like I used to say, I like to test my own device. I like to stress it, see if I like it. I don't fancy numbers, you know. So for your information, if you valid all these things, I mean, if you value them and then you render them valid, you know, you can just check this course on the CPU, GPU, UX, and the memory, you know. So guys, let's see if the specifications are intact with what we have on paper. So let's see, let's go to device information and see what's up. See, Elephone A5, just looking for the processor. Okay, it's 1080p, the resolution full HD. Okay, the processor, yes, and 8-core CPU, yes. I hope you can get it from there. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit so you can see what I'm saying. Now, 8-core Mali GPU, yeah. Yeah, everything seems spot on, you know. Everything seems spot on. The camera, see, dual camera rare. How is it dual camera? Oh, the front camera is only saying one, but the battery say 4,000 milliamp battery, yeah. So I don't know why the camera is not, you know. And the Wi-Fi, you can see the link speed is 433 megabit per second. That's the max it can go. Wow, that's not bad. That's not bad. So that's it. So that's just the device information very quickly. So what I want to do next, I'm going to be testing the sound quality before I go into the camera. The camera is the last thing I want to do, you know. Let's go for sound quality. Let's just look for something to play and let's see if we can get a good sound quality. So that's the highest volume. I said in the beginning of the video that I don't know about stereo, though it's very loud, you know, it is loud, but this is just a dummy and this is the speaker, you can see. So this is where your voice is very loud and it's got some bars, you know. I like that. Being one speaker is not bad. It's not bad for one speaker, you know. So now let's jump into the camera. The camera, I'm going to be doing an in-depth review on the camera, you know, but for now let's just have a picture sample of this food. So let's see how this phone will detect that this is a food, and let's see what optimization it does give it. So let me just unlock the phone. All right, so now this is the camera, I suppose. The camera looks all right. It looks okay for the camera quality. Yeah, and it focuses very quickly. You can see on the screen. I don't know if you can see what I'm saying, but let's take a picture. But a little bit dark, but it's not bad for a 200-pound device, you know. Not 200 pounds, $200, you know. It's not bad. I don't know how this is gonna look when I put it on the computer, but looking at what I'm seeing here, I cannot complain at all. In fact, I'm saying this is the best camera I've seen from China in recent years, you know. I'm not talking about the Huawei, you know, those are big daddies in the industry. But there are noise, yeah, too much noise on the plate. You can't really see that until I put it on the screen. So if I put it on the screen now, you're gonna see. But it's not showing me anything that suggests this is an AI camera. It's just normal camera for me, you know. And the camera interface, here you have the video. That's the video. The pan. I guess that's panorama, and they just call it pan. The picture, the stereo. What stereo? Oh, why do they call it stereo? I suppose this is where, if you want to have a bokeh effect, but why did they call it stereo? I don't know why. I don't know, to be honest. I don't know. What does that mean? It's rotating. Okay, let's see the picture quality. I mean, there's nothing here that 3D. Oh, this is the whole style. We have 3D picture. No, this is gimmicky, you know. Look, it's breaking. Okay, I don't know if you see what I'm seeing. Look at the play. It's breaking, crackling. No, I wouldn't use that. I wouldn't use that. But the camera, I'm gonna test this camera on a proper test, you know. This is the mono and this is the advanced. If you wanna increase the light, reduce it, you know. But I don't know. I don't know about AI camera, to be honest. This could be a scam. I don't know about AI camera here. Okay, let me show you an example. This is my Samsung phone. It's on selfie. You know, this is a picture of food. Can you see the icon? is on a white plate. Can you see the icon? Let me move away so you see what I'm saying. Now let me come back. It's gonna, can you see? You see, it's telling me that's food. That is what I know, to my knowledge, to be AI. You know, that's what I know. Yeah, the picture comparing to what this Elephone had on earlier, I think they are almost the same thing. Yeah, they're almost the same thing. Nothing, you know, they're almost the same thing. So the camera is just where I have a bit of concern, but even if it doesn't tell me this is food, this is dog, this is, as long as I have a very good quality camera, that's what I'm most interested in. So guys, that's where I'm gonna drop it today. My next video on this device is gonna be full in-depth camera, you know, test. I'm not gonna compare with any device, but if I take a picture that I think is a little bit off, I might use my Samsung Galaxy to compare, like just a benchmark that this is how this picture looks on my Samsung and look how the picture looks on this device. But other than that, this is a good device, you know. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I will see you when I'm making a video. Bye. God bless.